what Martin Luther King Jr. had said. He said, I have a dream. Today I'm also telling you, I have a dream. I have a dream that one day the teachers of the state of Meghalaya will have the respect that they deserve. I have a dream that the teachers in the state of Meghalaya will no longer have to live in houses that are leaking when there is rainfall. I have a dream that the teachers will no longer be beggars of their neighbors and wait to pay the bills until their salary is sanctioned after 3 or 4 months. I have a dream that we will live with dignity of the position that is being given to us. I have a dream for change. I have a dream for us to prosper. And I have a dream that all the teachers of Meghalaya, irrespective of the categories, irrespective of the name tags, will come together, will create a better society, and will create a better government. I want you all to lead by example. If you want change, you must be the catalyst of change. You cannot wait for someone else to change. You cannot wait for the chief minister to change. You cannot wait for the education minister to change. And you cannot wait for the MLAs of your locality to bring change. If you want change, it starts with you. And with that, I would like to conclude, and I would like to thank each and every single one of you who have come here today. So right now, I would also like to address one important thing. That is on the 22nd of April, we will launch the full-fledged agitational program. We will not cooperate with the government any longer. We will boycott schools. We will boycott all these correction duties. We will boycott everything that is related to the government and to education. So I would request each and every single one of you right now to mark the date, the 22nd of April. Bring your friends, your families, your wife, your children, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anyone, okay? Anyone, bring them to Shillong. And on this year, when Meghalaya celebrates the 50 years of statehood, we will create history where we'll march with more than 10,000 people to the Secretariat, and we will sit there until our demands are met. The problem with these ministers is that they think. The problem with these ministers, they think that teachers are so less in numbers. They think of the vote bank. But let me tell you, teachers are the biggest vote bank in any state, because it is the teachers who teach these children about life. They teach these children about vote. You must be a leader. So right now, I would also like to request each and every single one of you from a particular school, create a group, invite all these ex-students and the students that are doing their SSLC and HSSLC exams right now. Invite as many as possible in that group. Tell them about your problems. You have held their hand right from the time when they do not know how to write ABC. It is time that you also hold their hand right now and take them to march in that rally. You have been there for them. I know that they will be there for you. Let us hope, let us pray, and let us stay committed to the cause till we reach the finish line, until we attain the victory that we deserve. Thank you so much, teachers of Garo Hills. Thank you everyone for coming here.